Hi, welcome to Fire Safety Measures. Today we'll be learning about exit signs. We'll learn about how they operate, where they are required to be installed, and how they function with other fire safety measures to facilitate safe evacuation. These are exit signs. They are installed so exits within buildings can be easily identified in the event of an emergency. I'm sure you've seen many of them in buildings such as shopping centers, offices, and car parks. In Australia, they are generally installed above doors leading to a fire exit stairway, fire exit passageway or ramp, and above any exit doors which leads you to a road or open space. In addition to this, they may also be installed anywhere on the building floor when the exits are not readily apparent. The elements on an exit sign must comply with Australian Standards 2293, which is also consistent with the requirements of ISO 7010. The reason why the Australian standards and standards within other countries adhere to ISO 7010 is to ensure safety and hazard signs can be recognized internationally. Did you know that exit signs must remain illuminated for a minimum of 90 minutes in the event that there is a power failure to the building's main lighting system? The purpose of this is to ensure the building exits can still be identified during a power outage. In Australia, the exit signs must be an electronically illuminated exit sign or a photoluminescent exit sign. What are the differences between the two types of signs? An electronically illuminated exit sign system is powered by normal mains power during nominal building operations. However, during a power failure, the system switches over to a battery backup that is powered by a self-contained battery within the unit, or an external centrally supplied emergency power source. Both these types of battery backup systems are continuously charged via a permanent live supply. In contrary to this, a photoluminescent exit sign system does not have any electrical components within the sign itself. Instead, it relies on a dedicated light source installed within the vicinity of the photoluminescent exit sign to keep the sign continuously charged. Nonetheless, both systems must remain illuminated for a minimum of 90 minutes upon power loss to the building, whilst achieving the minimum lux output required for the relevant system. Wait a minute. What if you're in the middle of a building floor during a blackout where no nearby exits are visible? Well, these bad boys may just save your life. These are called emergency lights. Emergency lights come in several different forms, including emergency downlights, oyster lights, batten lights, and floodlights. Although they tend to go unnoticed within buildings, they are just as crucial as exit signs. They work hand in hand with exit signs to ensure the paths of travel to fire exits are adequately illuminated to assist safe evacuation. In Australia, you can determine whether a light is an emergency light by checking if it has this symbol on it. Unlike electronically illuminated exit signs where they must remain illuminated at all times, emergency lights are only required to be illuminated when there is a power failure to the building's main lighting system. They must also remain illuminated for a minimum of 90 minutes in the state and achieve the minimum lux output required for emergency lights. Similarly to electronically illuminated exit signs, they can either have a self-contained battery backup or be powered by the same central emergency power supply connected to the exit sign system. Next time you're in a building and see an exit sign, make sure to look out for emergency lights, as they truly do not get the appreciation they deserve. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more educational videos on fire safety measures.